Have you ever tried to sew a Flutter sleeve before? This Cove top has Flutter sleeves and loose boxy Peplum silhouette that is versatile to dress up or down for a casual look. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple way to sew the Cove top from scratch. Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, the creator of this channel that helps you buy less, sew more, and make DIY clothing. I use the crinkle gauze fabric with colorful pastel stripes. As an alternative, consider crinkle rayon, cotton, or even linen will work great with this style. First, overlock stitch the center back on both sides of the back top pieces. Place right side of back top pieces facing each other and measure 4 inches down from the neckline to pin. Sew 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch from pin to waistline. Press the seam open with an iron. Lay right side of back top pieces and right side of front top piece facing each other and line up the side and shoulder seams to pin. Join the bodice with 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance, straight stitch, and overlock the edges to finish. Press the seams towards the back top and set aside. To make Flutter sleeves, adjust the stitch length to 5.0 and 1/4 inch straight stitch from front to back notches on the sleeve. Leave the thread about 3 to 4 inches long and do not back and forth stitch the end. Fold the sleeve on the center, right sides facing each other. Close the underarm seam with 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch and overlock to finish. Press the seam toward the back side of the sleeve. Gently pull one thread to evenly distribute the shirring along the sleeve. Do the same on the other sleeve and make sure the shirring is equal on both sides. Slide the sleeve through the bodice, right side facing each other, and pin along the armhole opening. If needed, adjust the shirring amount of the sleeve. Sew straight stitch 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance around the armhole and overlock the raw edges. Next, make the peplum hem by joining the ends of the bottom top peplum pieces using 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch and overlock to finish. Press the seams towards the back bottom top peplum piece. Adjust the stitch length to 5.0 and 1/4 inch with straight stitch around the top of the peplum piece. Gently pull the back thread to evenly distribute the shirring. Place the right side of the bodice and bottom top peplum facing each other and pin around the waist. If needed, adjust the gathering evenly. Sew 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch and overlock to finish the raw edges. To sew neckline in binding, join the bias cut strap or use one long piece that is equal distance to the neckline. Place right side of the bias cut strap and right side of the bodice facing each other and pin around the neckline. Sew 1/4 inch with straight stitch around the neckline and trim the ends at center back keyhole. Open up the strap and edge top stitch around. Double fold the strap towards the inside and pin around the neckline. Edge top stitch at the bias strap to secure the position. To make back tie, fold the back tie pieces in half lengthwise, right sides facing each other, and sew 1/4 inch with seam allowance. Use loop turner to flip inside out and press. Overlock stitch one end, double fold the other end, and 1/4 inch top stitch. Place the back tie inside of the keyhole and pin. double-edged top stitch to secure the tie on both sides. Lastly, double fold 1/4 inch width and pin around the peplum hemline and flutter sleeves. Straight stitch slightly shy of 1/4 inch width and press. Give a gentle press all around the flutter sleeve peplum top and wear with jeans for a casual look. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the Cove top with me. If you like this sewing tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming sewing challenge. Scroll down to the description below to locate the Cove top sewing pattern. Additionally, you can find step-by-step picture instructions on the website for you to follow. Share your DIY top on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us for more inspiration. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!